So no matter who you are or where you live, there's going to be crap showing up in your life. But the thing is that you can actually use that to work for you. Now let me tell you a little story. So one of my clients came to me and she was complaining about this client that she had, and the project was going way over budget and they were just being unreasonable, asking for more and more and more, and she just wasn't getting paid enough to do all of this. So she was really stressed out. I sat down with her and I said, okay, so how do we use this to our advantage? How do we make this work for you? First of all, clear off the charge on that. And we looked at mapping out a system that would allow her to have 3 very clear packages. Package A is this much and it gives you this. Package B is this much and it gives you this. This is package C, you get this. She didn't have that clarity before, but having that client that was so annoying moved her to want to find a solution so that that was not going to show up in the future. So clear out the charge on what's going on and then look for what is the creative solution to turn it around.